Hi folks, I'm Jeff and I'm a Pop-On Veneers customer and now a fan. Over the years, several dental procedures left me with missing teeth and gaps in my smile. Wanted to do something as an alternative to a full set of dentures. Saw the ad for Pop-On Veneers, debated with myself for some time, finally ordered the kit. It arrived, great instructions, very clear. There's also video instructions that you can pull up on your phone, your tablet, or your computer. Walks you through every step. Once I did my impressions, I sent them back in the pre-addressed box. Within a couple weeks, I had my veneers. Listen how these pop in. Very secure. I'm able to sing, talk, and really enjoy my Pop-On Veneers. Thanks for offering this great product. Take the chance, folks. Don't wait as long as I did.